Ever wondered how to check, pay, or dispute Sharjah traffic fines? We've got you covered. Checking your Sharjah traffic fines is easy. To check your fines online, visit the Sharjah Police website. Click on Services, then Traffic Services, and select Traffic Fines Payment. Enter your vehicle details, license number, or Emirates ID to view any fines associated with your vehicle. You can also visit a traffic department in Sharjah in person and provide your vehicle registration details, or Emirates ID to receive information on any traffic fines associated with your vehicle. If you have any outstanding fines, it's important to pay them promptly to avoid further penalties. Here's how to pay your fines in Sharjah. Visit the Sharjah Police website and select the option for paying traffic fines. Enter your traffic file number and your vehicle plate number. You may also need to provide other info here, such as your Emirates ID number. After that, you can view and pay your fines right away. You can also pay your fines in person at the police station. If you have any questions or issues regarding paying your traffic fines in Sharjah, contact the Sharjah Police for assistance. There's also an option to contest a traffic fine in Sharjah. Here's how you can do this. Check the fine details carefully and visit the Sharjah Police website to learn about the procedures for contesting a traffic fine. You can also review the evidence against you. If you want to contest the fine, submit an objection in person within 15 days of receiving it. Provide any evidence you have to support your case, such as photographs or witness statements. Once you submit your objection, the Sharjah Police will review your case and make a decision. If your objection is successful, the fine will be cancelled. If it's unsuccessful, you will have to pay the fine. Staying up to date with your Sharjah traffic fines is essential to avoid any surprises or penalties. If you do receive a fine, it's crucial to pay it promptly or contest it within the given time frame. Always remember to follow traffic laws and regulations to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the roads. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.